Hi everyone! In this video, we'll go through some tips and tricks that will help you successfully use Cricut Smart Iron-On materials. Cricut Smart Iron-On allows you to make things like t-shirts and personalized tote bags quickly and easily without a cutting mat. First, let's introduce you to the Cricut Heat Guide. Find this reference guide by searching Cricut Heat Guide. By entering the type of iron-on and blank you are using, the guide will give you the optimal heat, time, and assembly instructions for your project. As you can see, once you click Apply, you get detailed instructions on pre-pressing, pressing, as well as project assembly. Next, let's talk about project size. While Smart Iron-On allows you to cut long images, beginners should start with images that are smaller than the size of their heat press. Now let's go through some key tips for beginners. A lot of people new to iron-on wonder, which side goes down in your cutting machine? Always put the shiny side down. Another important tip, on this screen, make sure to mirror. This will ensure your project turns out the way you want it to, especially if you're pressing words. Finally, if you're new to Smart Iron-On, here's a tip that will help you with the process of weeding. This is a crafting term for removing the excess material from around a cut. Getting started can be a challenge. We'll show you an easy trick. Peel back a corner of the iron-on with your weeding tool. Pull the excess material off the cut image, then remove smaller pieces. That's it! Have fun with your Smart Iron-On.